Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we are bringing you this absolutely awesome LC 1971 LC GTR Torana in silver mist. Look how beautiful this little baby is. And absolute concours rotisserie restored magic. I'll show you inside and under the bonnet, but underneath is as clean as it is above. Unbelievable condition. So yeah, little LC GTR Torana, 1971 model, and yeah, very clean car. I'll stop the turntable for a minute just once it comes around so I can show you the underneath the engine bay, and then we'll start her up and have a look at that. So just 1 second. I'm just going to show under the engine bay. Let's pop it. Oh, voila, look at that. Spectacular. 2600S. And have a look down there. Look at that, the little bowl fuel filter. There's your engine number. Look how clean this thing is. Master cylinder. And you've got your what's that, first 71 LC. And very clean. LC 82911, so that's a GTR, and then there's your body number, and the body number matches the tag over on the over there. There you go. Beautiful, beautifully done. I mean, look at that. Look at the rims. It's beautiful, magic condition. Look at that GTR. Inside, just absolute brand new. Look at these door cards. Beautiful job. And I'll just tuck under the car just to see how magnificent this is. Look at that. That is just brand spanker. Look at this. Tail shaft, everything. Just so clean. A real attention to detail on this car. Okay, Rod, let's start her up. Bay. Seriously, this car's in condition, you've got to say 10 out of 10. Fourth month 71 it is. Fourth month 71. Wow, that is just beautiful. So we will have heaps and heaps of photos on the website, and all the details. So these little LCs do not come up very often. So if you're interested, give us a ring. Australian Muscle Car Sales. We look forward to speaking to you and from all of us at AMCS, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy the festive season and your muscle cars. Thank you for watching.